Hey everyone, it's great to be back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Forex trading and how you can join my free Forex Telegram signal group. If you are new to Forex trading, you might be wondering what Forex trading is and how it works. Forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies in the foreign exchange market. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world with an estimated daily turnover of over $5 trillion. Forex trading involves buying one currency while selling another with the aim of making a profit from the fluctuations in currency exchange rates. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which means that traders can trade at any time of the day or night. The Forex market is also highly volatile, which means that the value of currencies can change rapidly in response to economic, political, and social factors. Forex trading can be a profitable and exciting way to make money, but it is important to understand the risk involved. Forex trading is highly speculative and can lead to significant losses. That's why it is essential to have a good understanding of the market and to use reliable trading signals to guide your trades. So, if you might ask, what is a Forex signal? A Forex signal is a recommendation to buy or sell a particular currency pair at a specific time. Forex signals are generated by professional traders or trading algorithms and are designed to help traders make profitable trades. Telegram signals are becoming increasingly popular because they are fast, reliable, and easy to access. Our Forex Telegram signal group is designed to provide traders with high-quality trading signals that can help them make profitable trades. Our signals are generated by professional traders with years of experience in the Forex market. We use a combination of technical and fundamental analysis to identify trading opportunities, and we send our signals in real time so that you can act on them quickly. So why join our Forex Telegram signal group? Making profitable trades in the Forex market. By joining our group, you will have access to a wealth of knowledge and experience that can help you become a better trader. So how do you join our Forex Telegram signal group? Basically, all you need to do is click on the link in my bio to join our free Forex Telegram signal group. Once you have joined our group, you will start receiving our trading signals in real time. We send signals for a variety of currency pairs, including Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and many more. Our signals include entry and exit points, stop loss levels, and take profit levels, so you have all the information you need to make profitable trades. If you are interested in Forex trading and want to start making profitable trades, then you should join our Forex Telegram signal group today. Our signals are free, reliable, and easy to access, and we have a community of like-minded traders who are all working towards the same goal. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start receiving our high-quality trading signals in real time. Simply follow the link in the description below to join our group. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the group. Peace out.